This is a short video on how to open this battery. It's a typical Bosch PowerPack 500 which you find on a lot of electrical bicycles. Step one is to remove the screws. One screw here, another one here. These two are removed. I'm not sure if they're actually necessary to be removed, but there are a few more screws there and there. Now there's some sort of sealant, and what I've found is if you take a biggish screwdriver, this is about an 8mm screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and you run it at an angle all underneath here, it tends to open up. So let's give that a go. Alright, so what we need to do is get under here and sort of twist it to pry it, and then push along. As you push, you can see the seal breaking. And you can start to see something happening. And just turn it around and get the other side going. And this is going to be a bit of a left-hand job, this one. I can definitely feel something coming unstuck there. The risk of impaling myself. The next step was to force the entire screwdriver underneath as wide as it can be, so flat this way, and run it along. And you can feel as you go along, it happens several times here, 1, 2, 3 times. You could feel a seal popping. In fact, I doubt it's a seal. It's more like a plastic weld breaking, so this thing was not made to be serviced. Let's go along the other side. So you go in sideways, you get just underneath there. Yeah, there's one. 2, 3. So there's 3 places on each side, or 3 seals, or 3, I suppose you could call them plastic rivets, that I need to break, and then it comes off. So satisfying. I have a feeling these guys popped. No, you can't really see them, but there's a tab in there. That little thing there. Now, by tilting the thing upside down, you can give it a wrench, a slide and a careful wiggle, and then the whole set comes apart. There's the BIM, the battery management, or the BMS, the battery management system, and that's where it connects onto the thing. And possibly if there's a fuse in here and that's blown, that could be one reason why this battery is no longer working. To get these cables off, you need to just get under there and put a bit of pressure on it, pull it slightly, turn it around, get under there, lift it a bit, and then it comes apart.